that it's us. Show out at the cookout. We getting money, don't care about what they on. Us. Finger fuck hundreds at home all alone in the suit with the still on.
Yes, sir. What's up, boys? We back with a brand new banger. You already know, bro. Your boy Vader 4-time. You can see by the thumbnail and title, bro. Today we're about to be putting on some 26x14 American Force wheels and Pioneers 35s on the YUKON, bro. So we're gonna see how it goes. It's gonna be suited. Not really. Not gonna change anything. But it's gonna be stuff in 35s on a leveling kit. Well, a stacked level. And like always, apparently I'm late to the party. I tell everybody to meet at a certain time, you know, so we can go get our stuff done. And I'm always the late one, just because I don't know why, to be honest. Yeah, I really don't know why I'm always late. I'm not gonna cap. I literally have no clue. Alright, bro, so y'all already know, like I said earlier in the intro, I put my boy Diego 26x14, you know, forces on this bit with the leveling kit. Alright, so y'all see how this sits? Hold up. Yeah, you see how this sits, right? Let me know how y'all think these are gonna fit on the con. Because he scrubs a little bit and he's on a whole lift. I'm on a leveling kit. This is with a 7.5 inch lift, bro. With 35s, at full lock, got a little bit of scrubbing. I literally scrub with 33s, so we already know what's about to happen with this. So yeah. Shee.
You know that's not full lock, right?
Oh, that's not?
No.
Look, that's the car, boy. Go ahead and steal all my racks. But yeah, we at McDonald's. You already know. What'd you get, bro? Why is it spinning?
Because I'm spinning this one.
I was like, wait a minute.
Damn, I shouldn't have went through.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah. We got the jack under this bad boy. Now, you already know. Sheesh. You already know I got the 2614 forces on. You know what I'm saying? Imagine this wide. Yo, that's dummy. Alright, so we're in the process of switching the wheels. Just had to give y'all an update. So, look, this one is off. Now.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back, but trust me, you gon' hold.
2 forces off, one clean, one dirty. And now I'm gonna go take off one wheel and put on force on that one. So let's go.
You want to do it? Is it lifted up? Do it!
Is it on Titan?
Bro, that shit's not coming off. That shit tight as hell. You just tighten the hella fucking hard, nigga.
You don't know about this? Alright, here, I got you, bro. I'll help you. Alright, boys. So we putting forces on and we're about to see how they turn out.
As much as you can.
Well, yeah. Ain't about to strip my...
That kind of hurts. No, I ain't trying to strip yours, and I ain't trying to...
Leave your wheels on my shit. Here you go. Had them the whole time.
Nah, I'm good. I just fucking...
You can put my jacket on your head. Alright, boys. So you know the vibe. We out here putting forces on the con. We already got... Hold on. Don't drop your truck. Yeah. Okay. I was about to say, it's no lugs on this tire over here. You got discount tire. Now we got HBS, bro. We got Andy. Andy's the lift installation guy.
Yeah, bro. I have your McGoy's fucking lift and done in like in 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Yes, sir. Hey, by the way, y'all go follow all the homies on Instagram. That's your job for helping me out, bro. His Instagram. This that boy Ivan. Got his Instagram. Hold up. Got his IG on deck. What you got? Beam a phone. Dang, that's a big tire there, buddy. Imagine just dropping on this.
Hey, helping you been doing the work. Got the Hispanic people doing the work.
That my boy Nick the gay. What we doing, bro?
Chilling.
Facts. I be. Bruh. So we got these hardworking gentlemen. Then we got this man over here putting the stocks on the hoe. Stock hoe gang.
Oh, no. I forgot. Look. I forgot to tell you. Hold it. One of my stuff is stripped. Really? Like the logo won't go on in it because it's stripped. Missing love. Big girl gang.
Alright, boys, we ran into a real problem. Not a problem. So, we got this one lifted up, but I brought a block, you know, for that. But I need a block for this too, to lift mine up. See, let's just make sure I need the block. I know for a fact I did with the setup. He's leaning.
That bitch leaning.
I
want to put his on mine, see how they look. But I need that.
That would be dummy.
Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane.
Got that yapper with me. Should do mad damage. You already know, forces on the con. Oh, bro, look how big they look. Like, bro.
Huh?
Oh, I forgot. We got to.
I haven't told you, but I don't know why. Oh, probably.
All right, boys. We got this one. This one.
It's still tight, but we broke it.
We broke these two?
No. This one got broken, that one. We gotta do all these right here.
Wait, we didn't do this one?
Nope. That one was the fucking first one. That's not the first one we did. The first one was this one, nigga.
Oh, no. See, we did do that.
Yeah, that was the first one. Yeah, we did 3 already?
Yup.
Yeah, we broke that one.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, no, you broke that one by yourself. Yeah, I helped you with that one. I helped you with that.
I gotta update the vlog, bro. So we go ahead and got 3 lugs off. Apparently Thanos put these on because I had to like rip these big things off.
Me and you had to fucking break them.
Yeah, literally took 2 people with this thing. Look at our hands. What's your hand like? Yeah, look at it. Dang. Super Duty go dummy, bro. Tell him join the party.
All right, join the party. Stand on it.
All right, bet.
Wait. All right, stand up. Look at these. Hope don't break a lug. You're not. Look at these. Nah, we can do it. Let me get the outside. Bro, there's some girl in my live named Freaky Shorty. What up, Freaky Shorty? Go! There you go. I got it. Go. You gotta do it. Sheesh. Vader, do you really need a piece of block
To lift mine? Yeah. And plus I'm gonna put your setup on it too, so I definitely need a block.
Alright. Yeah, because we have to lift that bitch high. Fuck, we still got one more.
That shit just chilling right there. It's like I doesn't look. It's just tooted. Why do you wake up to your truck like this?
And it's got what?
I'll be like,
You're like, I got 2 free jacks.
facts, 2 free jacks.
For the setup, I don't think that's worth it.
Really ice. Got Chan on the beat. Yes, sir. Full time too. Alright, boys.
If I ain't see you, shawty, I ain't seen you. You know we met with no. You motivate I'm fucking with you, boo. I'm keeping funky with you,
Bro.
boo. When we make love, ain't got my
Oh
thumb.
my god.
When we make love, ain't got my thumb on.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No, it's hurting you to see me gone. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back. But trust me, you gon' hold that. Hold that.
right, let me know what y'all think about the forces, you know what I'm saying? Tell me, I think it's tucking them pretty well, but...
Let me change this song, though. Oh, God.
See how wide she is. Oh, my God.
Walking the 480s, fucking it. AKA, I love how that chopper sound. We love them chopper sound.
Hey. Shout out to the boys who made this possible. Yes, sir. You see the forces on the... Oh, baby. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to take one.
Steady calling my phone. I done told you before that it's over. Leave me alone. No one's hurting you to see me gone. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back. But trust me, you gon' hold that.
Yo!
Hold that.
Yes, sir. That'd be all right. Yes, sir.
No one's hurting you to see me gone. Dark clouds, you gon' see me storm. I won't go back. But trust me, you gon' hold that.